Marketing agencies charge anywhere from $3,000 to $15,000 a month. But in 2026, a handful of AI tools are doing the exact same work for under $100. In this video, I'll show you the 5 tools I personally use to run full marketing campaigns without hiring a single person. Stay until the end, because number 4 is the one most marketers still don't know about. The first tool is for ad copywriting, and this one alone can save you $400 to $600 a month. I'm going to type in a product description right now live. Watch what happens. In under 10 seconds, it generates 5 different Facebook ad variations, each with a completely different angle and hook. One focuses on fear of missing out, one on social proof, one on price. A good copywriter charges $100 to $200 per ad. This tool does it instantly, and you can run unlimited tests. I link the tool in the description with a free trial. The second tool is for SEO, and this is where I've seen the biggest ROI for my clients. Most businesses pay agencies to write blog posts that rank on Google. This tool takes any keyword, automatically analyzes the top 20 competing pages, and produces a full article structured to outrank them. I tested this with one of my clients' websites. We published 3 articles in January. By March, all 3 were on page 1 of Google for their target keyword. The agency that previously handled this charged $1,200 a month for 4 articles. You can use this tool for free. Tool 3 is for email marketing. It writes complete sequences, sets up automations, and A/B tests subject lines on its own. No copywriter, no email strategist needed. I give it a product and a goal. It handles the rest. Tool 4 handles social media. One prompt generates a full week of posts, captions, hashtags, optimal posting times across Instagram, LinkedIn, and X all at once. I used to spend 3 hours a week on this. Now it takes 5 minutes. And Tool 5, this is the one I didn't expect to become obsessed with. It monitors your competitors' active ads across every platform, shows you how long each ad has been running, and tells you which creatives are getting the most engagement. If an ad has been running for 60 days, it's profitable. That's your blueprint. All 5 tools are linked in the description. Most of them have a free trial so you can test before you spend anything. Now, I want to be honest with you. These tools don't replace strategy. They replace execution. You still need to know what you're doing, but if you already understand marketing, these tools multiply your output by 10. If this video saved you some research time, subscribe. I post new marketing tools and real campaign breakdowns every week. And the next video is something a lot of people asked for: the exact AI prompts I use inside these tools to get the best results. That one is already live, linked right here.